Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own sugaring wax and how to use it. There are two types of sugaring wax. One is hard and the other one is soft wax. But here in this tutorial, I'm showing you how to make the soft sugaring wax. So, first, you need these three major ingredients: sugar, lime or lemon juice, and water. Sugaring wax has a number of benefits over the other hair removal methods. The great thing about sugar waxing is that it is 100% natural. Not like the regular wax, this is applied at your body temperature so that it will not burn your skin. Since it does not have any harmful chemicals and the hair is removed at the direction of hair growth, it causes minimal irritation to your skin. Also, it's less likely to get ingrown hair. In general, sugar waxing lasts for 3 to 4 weeks. But it depends on your hair growth rate. You'll also feel that your skin has become softened and smooth after you use this. Finally, it will remove 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch long hair in anywhere of your body. As I mentioned at the beginning, today, I'm showing you how to make and use the soft sugaring wax. So, let's see how to make it. First, take a pan, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of water, a spatula, a mixer, a jar to put the wax in, and finally, fabric strips. I have shown you the measuring cup I used. Make sure to heat the jar before putting the wax in because it may shatter once you put the hot wax into a cool jar. Also, make sure to use clean fabric strips that does not stretch. I prefer cotton fabric. Add the sugar, lime juice and water into the pot and mix well. Boil the pot over medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes until the mixture becomes light honey color. It will go from golden to black in just 2 minutes, and you won't even notice until it's too late, so just be flexible and don't expect the perfection on the first go around. Pull the sugar mix off the burner as soon as it turns a light honey color. If you overheat in the first time, simply throw it away and start over again. Once you try it few times, you'll be able to catch the perfect time to turn off the flame. Put the mixture into the heated jar and wait for 15 to 20 minutes until it becomes a little thicker than honey. Now the sugaring wax is ready to use. Make sure it has become cold up to your body temperature. Don't burn yourself. Apply the wax gently in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Then, put the fabric strip over and press it for about 10 to 20 seconds. Rip off the hair in the direction of hair growth. You can see that all the hair in the section has removed. Make sure that you don't have any oils or lotions on your skin before you get started. At the end, if there's any wax residue left behind, you may simply clean it up with cold water. And to soothe your skin, I would recommend applying a moisturizing cream or aloe vera gel. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.